Yeah, they left it open.
Hang on just a second. He's going to be coming out with 2 coolers.
Okay.
Turn on a couple of lights. The aircraft, your left as you're standing backwards. Okay. And up here is our flight display system. So when we're flying along, the people can see how high we are, how fast we are, what the winds are aloft, and the temperature and stuff like that, and where we're going, when we're going to get there. And I'll let you guys walk forward into the cockpit.
Can we sit in here?
Yeah, take a seat left on one and right on the other.
Pilot, first officer.
Okay, the captain is usually the guy in charge. The first officer would be the first guy underneath the captain.
Alright, so second officer.
In other words, the co-pilot. Okay.
Yeah.
The second officer might be like the flight engineer if the plane had one or something. So captain, first officer, and second officer, or flight engineer.
Okay.
So were you the captain of the flight?
That was me on today. You see that big switch over there?
This one?
The on forward. On the front wall.
This one?
Now to the right, up, the silver one. There you go. Pull that out and up. Out and up. Okay. And 2 switches over to the right. That one, out and up.
Oh my gosh. So what do these buttons on the side here?
Those are all circuit breakers.
Alright.
Okay. You can't leave all that stuff on without an engine running or the APU out and down. So, out, actually,
Hey, Dad, just throw this on my father's
out
desk
into
when
the
you
center. Lift it up one.
close the door.
Okay. May I?
Yep.
Yeah, sure.